human being is more than flesh and blood. Words such as the spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. The understanding of the flesh here means the gross material body, and the spirit, the essence that keeps it alive. Because we know that the body itself is not really alive, it is only set aglow. Parapsychology already deals with this, the outer and inner consistency of the human being. Cases of where there is life after so-called clinically dead reports also point to this fact. Creation is a very huge network consisting of beings and spirits. I can further tell you, based on the knowledge of the grail message, that creation itself consists of cloaks and the beings that weave this cloak. The nature of the human spirit only inhabits creation by absorbing the rays and inhabiting these cloaks, and creation itself is wide. Gross material plane where we are today, the earth, is not the home of man in its sense, but is field of activity. Earthman in his body, that is the physical body, is called Earthman, while the spirit is called soul. When the physical body of flesh and blood wears out or dies, the body is a temporary cloak. It is the spirit that is seen, that is called soul. Brothers and sisters, today I can tell you that the creation by the Almighty extends further than the human science can ever think of. Brothers and sisters, the grail message by Adrushin is dedicated in the first place to womankind, womanhood. And this also lets us know that the activity of the spirit is broken into two activities, that which is positive and that which is negative. The negative part forms the female body, as we see here, and the positive activity forms the masculine activity body that we see here. So the nature of the human spirit is broken into these two basic poles. And the origin of the human spirit is from the primordial spiritual sphere, where the earthman finds his origin as spirit germ. This germ is expelled, as it were, to come and experience in the world of matter, where it is given various cloaks so it can absorb what is good and go back to its home. During this wandering, the spirit itself moves about enjoying the pleasures given to it. But once it deviates, it suffers and will have to learn what its mistakes are. Dark, ignoble, dark riches, unclean things dampen this soul. And on the long run, if help does not come to it at the appropriate time, or it does not long for the help that comes for it, it will surely disintegrate, which is called the last judgment. In essence, the walking light of truth, the grail message by Abrushin, clarifies all this as a help during this period to give to mankind that which it really needs. So this is not a work of fiction or art in itself, but it is a work that is given from the luminous realm, so that those who really long for this light can stretch their hands out. Thank you once again, brothers and sisters.
Yeah, it's important.
Yeah, of course.